look that's perfect for running errands or hanging out with friends. Add a denim jacket for some extra warmth and accessorize with a pair of statement earrings. 2. Office ready? A black blazer, white button-down shirt, and black pants is an office-ready outfit that's both stylish and professional. Add a pair of black heels and a statement necklace to complete the look. 3. Date night. A little black dress is a wardrobe staple that's perfect for a date night. Dress it up with a pair of heels and statement earrings, or dress it down with a pair of sneakers and a denim jacket. 4. Weekend brunch. A beige sweater, black pants, and white sneakers is a comfortable and chic outfit that's perfect for weekend brunch. Add a scarf for some extra color and a crossbody bag for convenience. 5. Business casual. For a business casual look, pair a navy blazer with a white dress shirt and khaki pants. Add some brown leather Oxfords and a brown leather belt for a touch of sophistication and professionalism. 6. Chic and trendy. A black turtleneck sweater paired with a camel coat, black pants, and black ankle boots is a chic and trendy outfit that's perfect for a night out or a fancy dinner. Add some gold hoop earrings for a touch of glamour and sophistication. 7. Athleisure. For an athleisure look, pair black leggings with a gray oversized sweater and white sneakers. Add a black baseball cap and a crossbody bag for some extras to complete the outfit. 8. Beach day. For a day at the beach, pair a white tank top with denim shorts and sandals. Add a wide-brimmed straw hat and a beach tote bag to carry all your essentials. As you can see, a capsule wardrobe doesn't have to be boring or limiting. With the right mix of classic and timeless pieces, you can create a wardrobe that's versatile and stylish, no matter the occasion. By investing in quality pieces that you love and feel comfortable wearing, getting dressed each day can be stress-free and enjoyable. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your capsule wardrobe today and enjoy the benefits of effortless style. 9. Travel ready. For a travel-ready look, pack a pair of black leggings, a white tee, a denim jacket, and a scarf into your carry-on bag. Wear your sneakers and bring a crossbody bag to keep your essentials close at hand. This outfit is comfortable and chic, perfect for sightseeing or exploring a new city. 10. Cozy and comfortable. For a cozy and comfortable outfit, wear a black turtleneck sweater with a pair of black leggings and ankle boots. Wrap yourself up in a warm scarf and add a beanie for a touch of warmth. This outfit is perfect for a movie night or a lazy day indoors. 11. Night out. For a night out, wear a black jumpsuit with a statement necklace and a blazer. Add a pair of strappy heels and a clutch bag for a touch of elegance and glamour. 12. Creative casual. Pair a white button-down shirt with a pair of ripped jeans and sneakers for a creative casual look. Wear a denim jacket over your shoulders and accessorize with a scarf and a messenger bag to complete the outfit. 13. Fall favorites. For a fall-inspired look, wear a beige sweater with a pair of skinny jeans and ankle boots. Add a scarf and a tote bag for some extra warmth and style. 14. Summer essentials. On a hot summer day, wear a white sundress with a pair of sandals and a floppy hat. Add a pair of sunglasses and a crossbody bag for a finishing touch. 15. Winter classic. For a classic winter outfit, wear a black turtleneck sweater with a pair of black pants and black ankle boots.